Maytag Dryer Troubleshooting. If you're looking for help fixing your Maytag dryer, look no further. Our comprehensive Maytag Dryer Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Power problems. If your Maytag dryer doesn't turn on at all, it could be a matter of power. Before blaming the machine, check your household fuse box for a blown fuse or tripped circuit breaker. Maytag's electric dryers require 2 fuses or circuit breakers, one for mechanical operation and one for heat, so you may need to reset the breaker or replace both fuses. Ensure that your dryer is plugged into an outlet capable of providing adequate power. Maytag's units typically require 240 volts of power. The simple stuff. Most Maytag dryers have a safety feature that prevents them from starting if the door is not completely closed. So make sure the door is shut securely before you panic. Likewise, Maytag's dryers typically require you to firmly press and hold the knob labeled "push to start." A quick press may not do the trick. If you're aiming to dry, don't select the air fluff option included on many Maytag dryers, as this setting simply tumbles clothes rather than drying them. If you have a gas dryer that isn't heating your clothes, make sure the gas supply line valve is in the open position. Damp loads. Sometimes, your dryer cylinder turns and produces heat, but the clothes still feel damp after a complete cycle. To address this problem, always clean your Maytag dryer's lint screen thoroughly before use. In some cases, a load may simply be too big to dry properly. Separate the load into portions for faster, more effective drying. Exhaust issues sometimes prevent proper drying. In this case, remove any lint or debris from the exterior vent and ensure that the vent run is free of kinks. Cold weather can also affect drying results in unheated rooms. Maytag notes that proper dryer operation requires temperatures of above 45 degrees Fahrenheit. More troubleshooting tips. If your Maytag dryer works, but it vibrates or produces lots of noise, make sure it's on a completely level surface and has its 4 included legs installed. This also ensures proper operation of your dryer's sensor. Likewise, tightly bunched wet clothes lead to noise, so keep your loads loosely packed. In some cases, a faulty exhaust vent makes for inadequate drying power. During installation, use a metal exhaust vent with 4-inch vent material for optimal operation. On many Maytag models, error codes starting with F indicate that the machine needs service. If you encounter this or any other problem that exceeds the scope of simple troubleshooting, schedule a service appointment through Maytag's official website.